Izinhlaka zokuphepha nezosizo lokuqala eDrakenstein zichithe usuku lwanamhlanje zizama ukulungisa indawo yaseMbekweni ukuze abantu bezokwazi ukwakha kabusha.
Currently, we're trying to fill up with soil, as you can see. This is a very marshy area, and unfortunately, when the diggers entered, it was very difficult to erect anything here. So that's why we're preparing the soil. Otherwise, the new structures will also just collapse, and so on and so forth. As you can see, currently we are filling up. Then, after this filled up, it will be compacted, and the temporary homes will be brought in.
Abezimo eziphuthumayo bathi lo mshophi ovele kulendawo ukubeka kucace ukuthi abantu abadla imbuya ngothi angeke bekwazi ukulandela imigomo yokwakha izakhiwo eziphephile.
People are struggling, people are homeless. So when we get to informal settlements, people tend to build right next to each other. They ignore building regulations and so on and so forth. So it's very difficult also for our relevant sections to come out and do inspections on the site. And also you have very, very few times that you are successful in convincing the community to abide by the necessary regulations.
Balinganiselwa Emashumini Ayisikhombisa abantu Abasale Dengwane kulandela ukuqubuka komlilo kulendawo ngoMgqibelo. Kanti basakhoseliswe ehholo lomphakathi.